Hi guys. Say hi, y'all.
Hi.
Olivia, you gonna tell them what we're gonna do?
So we are going to go to Michael's and pick up some slime stuff for tomorrow. And I have a friend that I'm going to go to her birthday party tomorrow, and yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. And we're gonna go to Michael's and we're gonna get some slime stuff, and we're going to make some slime tomorrow for her birthday, which is Tariana.
I think she got it right, y'all. So her birthday is tomorrow. She loves unicorns and she loves slime. So I thought it'd be a good idea to make her some unicorn slime. So we're gonna go see what they have, if they have any like unicorn charms or something, and we're gonna go see.
Yes, and we're going to buy some stuff, buy like some crunchy Slimer stuff, like make it crunchy, but unicorn like, and it's gonna be fun. You're gonna like it. It's gonna be blown, like her mind's gonna be blown when she sees it. It's gonna be awesome. Yep. It's gonna be awesome. Bye. Starts at 2, so we'll be there exactly at 2. Yep. We'll be there exactly as it starts. Let's go. Because I'm gonna make.
Well, everybody's getting some stuff to make slime, and because it's the amount that you're gonna be making, everybody can make like their own little section, and then we can mix it up to make the unicorn slime for.
Push, Chrissy, move. Mommy. Okay, what else do we have to go, Mom?
We need the containers down here.
Guys, excuse me.
Right here, Rena. The containers.
We get 3?
We need 4.
For me and her and Tariana?
Mm-hmm.
And me too. Yeah. 1, 2. And we're all making fluffy slime, so that's a great thing. 3, 4. Mommy, look. Mommy, we need glue. Move. Guys, we're trying to get through. Move. And the tail aisle. Mama, which kind do we need? Wait. Up there. There. It's up there. I can't get it.
You want white? What
What
color you want?
White. Me?
Yeah.
Pink. I want yellow. It's up there.
hold
I
on.
want yellow.
Okay, Grace wants yellow.
Yeah. So I'll try to get that for you.
All right, I get it.
Okay. No, I'll get it.
No, you can't.
Dang.
Okay. All right, y'all.
What are these?
Buckets. Put it in the bucket.
Yellow. Lit. White. Pink. Come on. Rena, come on.
Liv, can you stop screaming, please? Like this one.
Please.
This one right here.
What is that? I can't. What is Mommy. Come over
Let me
here,
see it.
Mommy. Mommy, look.
Let me see it. I think. Thank you. In the basket.
This?
Yeah.
Another one?
That's the one. Wait.
But I thought we were.
Okay. Put it in the basket.
Mommy, you know what?
Thank you.
Who's it for?
Tariana.
It is. She gonna like it?
Yes, you do.
Yes.
We got the supplies and we're gonna go home.
I need 19. So they're right out there.
Wait, Grace. Same for Rena. With Mommy.
Mama, when I get home, can
glues. We don't need those to the end, but
Yeah.
got shaving cream,
Have the bigger one. Here you go. Here's the bigger one.
balls.
So much.
We got the
Model Magic Clay. Thanks,
and we got the
Don't
glitter.
open it yet.
And we got this for Tariana. It's gonna go on top of her little
unicorn
container.
For her slime. Okay,
Yep.
let's open up the glue. Open up the glue. What's in
Be careful, Grace.
Rena, just don't worry with it right now. Just open up the glue. I didn't start mine yet. Wow. Whoa. It's never gonna stop. It isn't. It's gonna stop. It's gonna. Oh. It's gonna stop. It's like a big bat. Yeah, it's never gonna stop. Mine is never gonna stop. Mine's, I don't know. That's it? That's it done. Mommy,
Not too much.
can I mix it?
Yeah, I don't think that's too much.
Mama.
Come on.
What? Oh, I thought it turned blue. I said, what is it? What's the spoon?
It looks blue.
No, the spoon was blue, but
Oh.
it's not.
I hope that's not
It's
too much.
hard. This looks like puppy cloud. Mommy. So take a spoon and mix it with the glue. Mix it with the glue. Mommy, it looks like ice cream. It kind of looks like puffy clouds.
Mix it from the bottom, Gracie.
I am. Let's wrap it up and then mix it up like so.
Okay, y'all, we did a lot of stirring. Let's see what yours
Can I
look like
see?
left.
Look. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Look, guys.
Cool. Oh, I got this contact
Look,
solution.
guys. It until it needs. Okay?
Yes, after the contact solution, we're going to, which I
Wait.
don't know how much.
No, don't put it. A
Okay.
teaspoon.
A teaspoon? That's a teaspoon. Come on. That's a teaspoon.
Don't put a lot in it because I don't want it being crummy. Like
Okay.
the lady.
Contact solution.
And hold. Pour it everywhere.
All right. Mix,
Oh,
mix,
it's
mix.
I'm mixing. It's sticking together, kind of. No, if I do it on my hand, like, then I'm sticking.
Good.
It's sticking. It's coming.
It's
It's coming
coming.
together. It's coming together. I can't. Wow.
Mix, 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 mix.
It's white.
I would mix it as much as you can without okay, you guys, we're still mixing. And the type of glue does matter. Irina had Elmer's glue. And Olivia and Grace had a generic brand of glue from a local store. And Irina's cloud slime use a lot less activator, which is contact solution. Olivia's still sticky,
Mine is not.
and Grace is still kind of sticky. But we're gonna try to add the
Mine.
model magic and see what happens. Go ahead, Grace, and put the model.
Can I put mine?
Go ahead and see. Let's just see.
I'm gonna do mine. Because I want mine to turn white. Mine is turning. It looks like.
I don't know.
Mine is like turning white. But do you still see the white?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna add a little bit tiny piece.
Get a piece of this piece right here. Grab that piece with that white stuff on it. Yeah, so we'll have to leave that.
Okay, now to fold it in,
Mm-hmm.
mix it.
Good job.
Who, me?
No, I'm talking to
Irina.
Irina, because I don't know what's going on with yours, Olivia. You need help, Liv?
No. I mean, yes. Hey, I can help you. My hand's not pink.
Wow, Gracie.
Here, Olivia, let me help you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here. Mine is so beautiful.
Good job, Grace.
What's wrong with Olivia's?
I have no idea.
Her hands. It's not supposed to be sticky like that. Gracie and mine's are working, but Olivia.
Third of it for Tariana.
Okay, so
So
right here.
let me see. That's about a third. Yes, that's about a third. No, I think that was fine. I think that was fine. We're gonna do one section at a time, okay?
Here you go,
We're gonna start with
Tara.
pink on the bottom. So which one is her cup?
No, wait, don't get mine.
I think this one is her cup. Was this yours?
Yeah, that was mine.
Could you sit?
Give me a cup. And then a little bit more. I need it.
No, I just want to play with it inside.
There. Now we need yellow.
I think you need a little bit more, sweetie.
No.
No, we don't need yellow yet, Gracie. Now we need Olivia White. Okay, so this.
Yeah, I think that much. Wait, I think your white, we're gonna put some poppy balls in it. So put that in the container. Put hers in the container.
I'm gonna refill.
Okay, so I have to take the yellow out because we're gonna put some sprinkles on each level.
Yes, we are. And it's gonna be like unicorny.
Yes.
So.
All right, so that's all nice and sparkly.
Wait, but can I?
Now we're gonna add
It smells
the
so good.
yellow.
Oh my gosh, Mommy, it might smell like shaving cream.
Mine too.
Smell like shaving cream.
Hold it up so we can see it.
So this is her.
Yellow. Turn it around so we can see. Okay, now we're gonna add the white. Wait, you're gonna put poppy beads. You're gonna put foam beads in yours.
And then can
I'm gonna add some of these in hers. So now it's gonna look like the cloud. That's gonna be
Can
so
I mix it in,
cool.
Mama?
Yeah, mix it in. Just gonna have some clouds. Turn straight forward. Straight forward. So I can see.
it feels like Rice Krispies.
Yeah.
It's
I
cool.
want them glad. Mama, can I squish the unicorn?
Can you squish the unicorn? No.
But guys, this looks like Rice Krispies. You guys would actually.
Get out the beads. Get out the foam beads.
Mommy, that's mine now.
So we can see if we need more. So you want to be really foamy.
I'm almost done. It's popping out. Hold on, let me mix these first so they don't pop out by the time I get more. This guy, this is like full. Now all we have to do is we have to add this on her unicorn sparkles. So then we just have to put it in.
Is it too much?
Huh?
No?
No.
Okay. Go ahead and add it.
Okay, now I have to add it.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Don't push too hard. Don't push too hard.
It's not too much.
Okay. That's good. That's good. Don't push too hard. You want to be fluffy.
And this is what it looks like.
Cool.
There is pink with some pink sparkles, yellow with orange sparkles, and the white is really special because it looks like clouds and it has pokey stuff in it, like little bubbles.
Let me see.
And this is what it looks like. You can see all the sparkles from different flavors. And that looks like SpongeBob. So Terriana's color is teal. So my mom put some teal sparkles and she put some foam balls to add it. Terriana can probably just press them in. But we're just gonna just press them in for a little bit.
Don't press them. Don't press them. Let her press them. Don't press them.
So we're just
When
going
she
to
mix it.
When she mixes it and when she receives her slime, she's going to press in
Yeah.
the foam balls.
So cool.
Yep. It's going to be fun.
Okay,
I
so
found one.
we have to decorate her top.
So it can, no, guys, I just thought my mom thought it was a great idea to get a unicorn so that she can put it, like, glue it on the top, and so it can represent unicorn slime.
Yes, so let's do that. You gonna glue it?
How? Take it off. Oh. And these are actually sticky squishies, which means like they're a little squishy, but they're also stickers.
Make sure you put it in the center.
Right here.
Yeah, move back just a little bit. It's okay. It's okay.
Gotta press it.
It's a sticky.
And
Now
there we
can
go.
I squish it?
Unicorn's like, no.
Let
You
us squish
squished
it. Let us squish it.
See. Gotta press it a little bit so it doesn't fall off.
Okay.
And there we go. A unicorn top. So now I've gotta put it on.
And close it up.
There we go. This is the finished product of Terriana's unicorn slime. We finished it.
So when I add mine, I'm going to, guys, when I put my spoon, because I think I'm just going to, spread it out so it don't fall. And I could just stretch it out that way. So I just need to stretch it out. I don't want to. No. First is paint. I think it's best to what we put in the wall.
Now I gotta put in. Okay, hold on.
Okay. Now it's good. Now I'm gonna mix it in.
So good.
Pink. The pink. How about the pink slime with pink?
The goat's escaping. Wait, you'll see it when I stretch it.
I want to get
See?
pink.
Can you see it?
I don't know. I think I need
I was about to get pink.
more. Do you think? Because I can't really see that.
No. It was the mailman, but it was not the package.
Actually feels nice. I know it does. This is our second time making butter slime. It's cool. Yep. Your little blobby. It's cool. They're like, it looks sparkly, like fruity pebbles, like. This is so cool. Guys, look.
I can't see it, sweetie.